स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे सब लोगों के साथ NACL Industry Q3 Financial Year 26 result net loss 5,460 lakh right issue and 249 crore. NACL Industry reported Q3 Financial Year 2026 result net loss 546 lakh, EPS 0.16, extended loan 55 crore to subsidiary and raised 249 crore via right issue. Hyderabad, January 29, 2026. NACL Industries Limited today announced the outcome of its board of director meeting. Key approval and disclosure include the company unaudited standalone and consolidated financial result for Q3 and 9 months ended December 31, 25. Approval of loan and investment in subsidiary and organization science. Financial highlight. Standalone result Q3 financial year 2026 vs Q3 financial year 25. Revenue from operation 20,018 lakhs. Q3 financial year 26 vs 31,821 lakhs. Q3 financial year 2025. Net profit and loss 546 lakhs Q3 financial year 26 vs 1,361 lakhs Q3 financial year 2025. EPS basic diluted and 0.16 vs 0.47. Consolidated result and Q3 financial year 26 vs Q3 financial year 2025. Revenue from operation 26,770 lakhs. Q3 financial year 26 vs 40,694 lakhs. Q3 financial year 2025. Net profit and loss 4,672 lakhs. Q3 financial year 26 vs minus 1,016 lakhs. Q3 financial year 2025. EPS base diluted and minus 1.66 vs minus 4.27. The financial were reviewed by SR Battleboy and Associated LLP and received unmodified opinion. Board approval and corporate action. Organization change. Mr. Kanan Upadhyay and appointed as a senior management personnel, SMP and Vice President Marketing and Sale. Mr. Ravi Kumar Mukula and case to be SMP which effective from January 2029 to 2026 and loan and investment extension of inter corporate loan of the 5 crore to wholly owned subsidiary and NACL Special Chemical Limited interest rate reduced from 10% to 7.5%. Investment of 20 crore